welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the theme in Google Chrome. As you can see at the moment, Chrome is pretty boring. It's just plain grey and white. Well, to change this, all you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of Chrome and click on the three dots. And we now need to click onto Settings. We now need to go across to Appearance. And we now need to click onto Themes. Once you have clicked onto themes, as you can see, there is a lot of themes to choose from. We have dark and black themes, we have space themes, we have all sorts of different themes. You can even search for a theme that you like. Once you have found a theme that you do like, for example, I'm just going to simply choose this rose theme. You can go ahead and press Add to Chrome. And there we go. As you can see, my Chrome colour has now changed. And it does actually look a lot more colourful than before. And it really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.